So let's do number 4. How far is 1, 1 from negative 4, 3? What do I want for this? A formula specifically for distance, right?
I drew a picture.
Okay, and draw a picture is perfectly valid.
Instead of using the really long formula.
Yeah, so you can either remember the really long formula, or you can draw a picture and remember to use the Pythagorean theorem. I don't care which one you do. They're both perfectly valid options. What do you guys want to do? You want to see both? Both? Okay, so let's do it the fast way first. If you bother to remember the formula, which is distance is the square root of x1 minus x2 squared plus something else squared? y1 minus y2 squared. Okay, if I'm going to do this, then I'm saying, okay, so distance is, square root. And then 1 minus 4.
Oh,
sorry. And then plus 1 minus 3 of split.
Okay. So then what? Yeah, so then I do this stuff inside the parens first. So here, what do you got? What's 1 minus negative 4? 5. So you got 5 squared plus, what's 1 minus 3?
Negative 2.
Negative 2, and I want to square that. Make sure you're squaring the whole thing, right? So you'll get the square root of 25 plus 4 is 29. Cool. Circle dunsies.
Yeah, but off the side you put +6, so that's what I was.
Oh, sorry. That thing has my grading notes on it.
Oh.
So I was giving 6 of the 10 points for people who calculated the slope between the 2 points instead of the distance. For some reason, those things seem to reside in the same spot.
That would explain this application.
Yeah, there's all sorts of grading notes on that thing.
Confusing.
Other questions on this guy? Do you want to see the picture? Are we okay?
Yeah, picture.
Yeah, picture? Okay. So alternatively, right, we draw our picture. So I'm looking for 1, 1. Where's that go?
1 over 1.
1 over, 1 up. Okay, then the other guy is negative 4. So 4 back and 3 up. Oops, that's not where I want to.
Oops.
Okay, so where's my triangle that I want to apply the Pythagorean theorem to? This one?
Yeah.
Okay. So there's my triangle, right? Here's my distance that I'm looking for. So I just got to figure out how big the sides are. So how big is this side?
Two.
2. Right, it ends at 3 and starts at 1, so it's 2. You guys notice that this 2 here? And the other one is starts at -4 and ends at 1, so it's 5 long. So then this guy is, let's see, so c squared is 2 squared plus 5 squared. Square root both sides. Get c is square root of 29. I'm not going to see any of you do this and say that it's 2 plus 5 is 7, am I?
Probably.
I probably will. Don't, please check. Think about that in terms of geometry, right? When you want to do that stuff where you square root each piece individually, what you're saying is that to get from point A to point B, I have to walk along the edges of the triangle. I can't walk along the hypotenuse. That would be problematic for most geometries. Cool? Any more questions on this?